Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Binance Pay. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified with all necessary identity checks completed. Next, navigate to the Pay section, usually found in the app's Wallet or Profile menu. Once there, you'll be prompted to activate Binance Pay. Simply agree to the terms and conditions to get started, and you're ready for the next step. Now that Binance Pay is active, you'll need to fund your Pay wallet. This is easily done by transferring cryptocurrency from your existing Binance Spot wallet. You can use a variety of digital assets, such as USD, BTC, or ETH, depending on your preference and the merchant's acceptance. Always make sure you have enough balance to cover your intended purchases, preventing any payment interruptions. Making payments with Binance Pay is straightforward. When shopping, simply scan the merchant's Binance Pay QR code using your app. For sending crypto to friends or family, you can use their Pay ID or email. Remember, these transactions are often instant and typically incur zero fees. Always double-check all transaction details, including the amount and recipient, before confirming to ensure accuracy. To keep your Binance Pay secure, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly review your transaction history to monitor all your payments and ensure everything looks correct. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.